Hi, this is Tutor Nick P, and this is lesson 178. Today we're going to look at the one of, what follows one of. So here's the title. One of must be followed by a plural noun. Yeah, this is one, especially in writing, I noticed this. With students where English is a second language, they often make a mistake. And here's where the mistake usually comes in. So let's look at example number one. Of course, with the X, this is wrong. So The Green Mile is one of the book written by Stephen King. Now, of course, the correct answer would be The Green Mile is one of the books. So one of, the noun that follows one of, must be plural. I guess in a student's mind, maybe sometimes if they see one, they think one is singular, and maybe that's why they make this mistake. So this is one, of course, I'll notice, especially in writing. All right, let's give another example. The same thing. Again, X is wrong, so the panda is one of the endangered animal. Of course, the answer should be the panda is one of the endangered animals with an S. So again, the noun that follows one of must be plural. All right, here's something else to note where students sometimes make a mistake too. Here, let's look at the note. The verb that follows the phrase one of is singular, not plural. So it's kind of ironic in a way. So I guess one really is the subject. So therefore, it has like a third person verb. So one of the apples were bruised. Of course, with the X, this is wrong. It should not be were. It should be was. One of the apples was bruised. So one does apply here. With the verb. So one was, okay. But of course, anytime you say one of, it does make sense that one of must be followed with a plural noun because one of suggests that there's actually more. If there's one of it, there has to be more than one. So that's why the noun always uses a plural. Okay, I hope it's clear. I hope it's informative. Thank you for your time. Bye-bye.